Hello, guys. How are you? I'm fine. I'm glad to be giving the class again. I miss you. Today we will work on language. Our class is abbreviations. You do not need to copy the class today. Just have on hand your practice and your workbook plus and use the video if you need to go back on the charts I'm going to show you. Abbreviations. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word. It usually begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Common abbreviations. Here is a chart that gives you some abbreviations for titles, business, date, month, address, and state. Titles. For Mr., for a married woman, for any woman, for a doctor, for a junior, or a senior. Businesses. For a company, for a corporation, for a limited or incorporated. For days of the week, we have two examples, Tuesday and Wednesday. If you need help, use your dictionaries or your computers apps or telephones apps, okay? To look at abbreviations for days of the week. Now we have months, February and August, the same thing. You may use the dictionary or the app of the computer or the cell phone. Address, avenue, apartment, route, and post office. Pay attention. Post office has two letters, P period O period. For the states are written or abbreviated with two capital letters for each state. We have the example here, California, CA with two capital letters, and Texas, TX with two capital letters. Initials. Initials are special kinds of abbreviations. An initial often stands for a person's first or middle name. Some names have two initials. We have an example. E.B. White wrote Charles Webb. E.B. stands for Elwin Brooks. Like my name is Ana Luisa Bermea, so you may abbreviate Ana with an A and Luisa with an L and then write Bermea. So it will be A period L period Bermea. Now let's go to our workbook plus page. Give me a second. I just missed the page. Page 98. Okay, right there you have another chart that may help you with title, business, date, month, address, dates, and initials. Remember, the initial is the first letter of a person's first or middle name. Activity 1. You will write the group of words using the correct abbreviation and initials. So I already underlined some words for you. Number 1 says Audio Service Corporation. So you will only write on the line Audio Service and then corporation should be abbreviated. Okay, use the list. It's C-O-R-P, corp, period. Capital letters in red, periods on red. And then we have Wednesday, September 29. So you will write on the line Wednesday on abbreviation and September on abbreviation. The same for senior and for incorporated on a number 5, just August. On letter B, there have been underlined for you already. So let's go to page 99. On page 99 are the states. So you have the box with the letters that stands for each state. We have the box number 1, CA, that stands for California. Then we have the second box that is the letter B that stands NY, New York. Then we have the letter C that says TX, that is Texas, the letter C. So I already wrote for you some of the initials on the numbers besides the state. Florida, FL, Indiana, IN, Colorado, CO. And you will use the chart and the letters to write a puzzle. You will write the letter that stands for each of the letters on the lines to decode the secret message, okay? And then I want you to go to your practice book on page 330, okay? 330. You will use abbreviations. Let's rewrite the sentence below using the correct abbreviation. You will rewrite the complete sentence. The address on the letter reads San Antonio, and then Texas should be abbreviated with 2 letters. TX with capital letters. On number 2, we boarded the train in Santa Fe, New Mexico. New Mexico is NM, and you have the abbreviations on the box on top. And then you will complete page 340. Again, you have some boxes on the top, common abbreviation for address, businesses, and states. I want you to pay attention on the word drive. Okay? Drive. It is abbreviated like doctor, DR. But drive is a street, a short street or short way. Okay? So you will rewrite each address using the correct abbreviation. Remember, addresses has 3 or 4 lines. So don't get everything together. In line 1, you will write James Johnson. On line 2, you will write 1342 Almond Street, and you will abbreviate the word street. Patterson, Florida, and you will abbreviate the word Florida. And the same with the address on the next numbers, okay? Let's go to page 315. Okay? Right here, you will use some common abbreviation for units of measures. And you have here the months and the days of the week. Okay? But the ones I want you to pay close attention is the units of measure, because we have not seen it on the chart before, okay? Inches does not have capital letter, but they use period. Foot does not have a capital letter, but it has a period. Mile, it does not have either capital letter or period. Meters either, kilometers, pounds, and ounces. Pay close attention to the units of measure, okay? Complete the page and send me some pictures of it, okay? And send me a picture of you working. See you later. Goodbye.